So wait, I just want this to be a. So this is Mondays. This is Tuesday. This is a bank holiday. U.S. bank holiday. By I am like a little bit speechless. That was a loss, by the way, and that was a loss, I think, right? That was also a loss. But the volume is almost nearly barely the same as Monday's. Well, actually, okay. So to be fair with you, Monday was quite a low volume day, right? Just let's see, like what was happening on Friday. So Friday we did have 2 million by okay, so 2 hours, 3 hours earlier, and 4 hours earlier than yesterday, and 3 hours earlier than Monday. So yeah, remember Monday. Monday was a low liquidity, lots of volatility, lots of pew pew pew, ups and downs. Look at that. Like for instance, we went there again, pushed up, and we went to my stop break even after we went all the way, and this is the trick. I think this is the spot, right? So we what covered all the progress in 1 minute. Gone, gone, baby, gone. Okay, so today we took a daily. We're pumping up. We're back from this miserable. That was a wick, only daily wick, like bad as it gets. I haven't seen. Oh, okay, I've seen. Oh, actually, okay. So right now the question begs itself is, what is this for? What does this still represent me? I think that the most case, the maximum where I could be represented is a comeback to certain area where was like lots of action in the consolidation mode, right? But other than that, it's just I think right now it's kind of relevant level because there was no breakage, no nothing. Like 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Oh, like no, let's delete that. This one is still alive. Like it was the double, triple bottom, and we didn't go through it. This one was a gap on a on what? Mm, most likely on Globex gap on Monday. It's not Monday, by the way. It's not. It's Tuesday. So there was like this where we jumped. We never came back where we 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and we never like retested it. We just went for it. So maybe. I don't know. But okay, let's pretend today is a different day. We still have 45 seconds until the open, and tomorrow, as we can see, there is no news. I even refresh. There was, is it on the next week? FOMC minutes. No. No. So they just, okay. That is another week. like October. Was it October CPI? Yeah, that was supposed to be CPI. We didn't have that. Okay, we are open. Let's go, bros, boys. We want to see red and go down. That's the only thing I'm trading today. This is Wednesday. This is a worst probability trade if you take all day. So the only thing that is left for me is red and to the downside, okay? Very simple. What I see right now, if we keep on this range, this is a very good chance to go down. Also, there was a good chance just to like. Okay, so right now we're coming to the area there where we have a VWAP, lots of stops, but we'll be able to continue to this area, which interests me more. Oh my bananas, already the range. Look at that range. This is ridiculous, ridiculous. And it will not stop. I'm positive like to here probably this candle will be overextended, like super duper overextended. Yeah, so that's what I told you. This candle is going to be overextended. And there is a chance that we will have I mean, do we even have a like a 391.90? Well, I mean, okay, like this is the area for a bounce, and I don't like that. Oh, wow. Like we came back to yesterday's value. All the progress, everything is wiped out. Okay, so we didn't reach that. To be fair with you, it's a 380, but that's not better. That's not better. So the only question bags right now is we're still in still in two lots. If the range gets bigger, we will be in two lots. But like, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. Like, this is not good. This is not healthy. Wealthy, healthy, not healthy. I'm telling you, bruh. And even coming more. Well, for me, it's good because then I would have a little better positioning. Where's okay? So that tick, is it? Wow, like, what is the chance to keep it up like that? I'm just speechless. But what is the chance? So that was a second go. So if we break that, we. What the fudge? So one contract. Wow. Wow. And that's it. We're in, and like, Imagine Dragons. So now is the question whether we will follow this or not. Actually, I might even add on the pullback. I don't know this because this is stupid. This is such a out of everything. Like, what was that? Like, that's the only thing that can get me the best? That's the best thing you have? Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, you son of a gun. You son of a gun, I'm telling you. How can I now get out of here? If I press buy? Because I think that was a mistake from my side. It was a losing trade, by the way, but just, just pity that I was like 2 times right now losing. And I don't still want to move the stop loss because it's just not worth it. Should I close that? I like no, that's bad. Obviously, we already lost some money, but yeah, I don't just wanna be there. And it's first, last in, first out. So that didn't make any sense. Also, oh my fucking. So I already down 30. Why? Okay. If that pulls back, it's just that big of a pullback. I mean, okay, I'm better off like that, not like the other way around. I would be more devastated if I would lose twice, but that was not twice actually. Because yes, recovered all that wick, made a wick, so there's a big chance we're gonna go up with the yes. And red, yes. So yeah, so that's the only trade I can take on this one. And I think like from what I see right now that I probably screwed up, but I think I made a good decision, except for like last in, first out. It didn't happen. It didn't happen like that, which is pretty stupid. Okay, so we are, just to make it sure, above, inside, red, yes, open one. Okay, and that guy, still don't know. Oh, by the way, maybe it's coming back actually. If that would have been 450. That would have been minus 30 and minus 60. And now it's minus 40 and minus 80. 90. Yeah, bro. Either outcome is fine. It's totally fine. I just don't think that this could be potentially so like so in down there, you know, just because it's very, 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 very long range. I might add on 50 maybe to for a break even, but it depends on the structure, and so I don't know. We'll see about that. But I don't worry. Even if it's a win with that little, you know, it's a win in my book. Also, I think I managed my risk with a proper, like, I made a, that would have been a bigger mistake to lose more than now it's to win less. So so 50% is in play a lot in my eyes. Yes is lagging actually. That's weird. Yes doesn't want to go even to yes previous day value area. So yeah, that's a bit overextended. Like I would guess this would be a very nice target to be in, but this one I have very little 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 expectations for that. want to move something? I don't know. Well, now it's pretty pity that I didn't have that second contract, but okay. I know that's not my edge, so no worries. Unless it moves lower, but that now it should be a bounce. That's pretty shitty. Do I want to make a break even? Let's see if we are on 90% or not. That is 426 and 359. 84%, so a little bit more and we'll have a 90% goal. But I think that will come, you know, or if not, if not, what else, what we could do? Like, it's a lot, so maybe, you know, actually, let's move it like this. Because I'm thinking that if we don't break, and now there's another leg to the downside, and we're to break even. Right, so we're here. We're on the break even. That was the second move, and we didn't get to the target. So, well, what can you do? There's nothing you can do. Maybe the third wave will get us in. Plus, on top of that, we just went into the range, and we'll probably get rejected or something, or not. We'll just drop. So, yeah. Okay, we'll get the target. We'll get the target. There's a lot of probability. Oh, come on. Click it, click it. Tick it, tick it, tick it, tick it, tick it, tick it. Come on. Come on, man. You can do this. You can do this. Oh, my Lord. God, help me, please. God, help me, please. No, come on. That is annoying. Well, seriously? You touch it. Touch it. Oh my God. Are you joking? Are you the fuck? The fuck? If what the if that was it, that would be funny. That would be fucking funny. Oh my God. So one tick away. Wowzers. Stupid. 207, seriously, 207. Like instead of 350, 20 whatever. This is stupid. I'm telling you, bro. This is stupid. This is not how it's supposed to be, and I'm pretty angry. But you know, it's a way. I mean, it's not a way, but it's a journey. So, just to be clear, during all that journey, it is possible that we will have such things over and over and over again, which will eventually level out when I will increase my risk parameter to 450, for example, and that will be like, 60. Now it's massive, massive difference, massive difference. Mhm. Here you go again. Like, look, 55. This is stupid. This is stupid. But this is what I get to. Oops. And still, what? So we can trade with 4 contracts. So when we win little. When we lose big. That's crazy. At least last week was that I lost much more than I anticipated. This week I'm winning much less than anticipated. So again, let's check it out. 2 minutes left for my entry. By the way, just to let you know, this was like ticking and we're still bouncing on that level. So when you want to have a runner, think about it again. Think about it again. So everything fits. All the possibilities fits. And actually red possibility on Wednesday fits much more better probability than the green one. Because yeah, maybe, actually, whatever. Well, both ways are good. So in 1 minute we'll put the order in and we'll go with the flow. That's a weird spot actually. The price is bouncing here and kerfuffling over here at this level, which is yesterday's last day's value area. But if we take a look at what happened actually on the normal day, not because that was what this one. So, and let's take a look what happened in trading day, not a bank holiday day. This was ooh, there's ooh. Okay, so we wait, what? Oh, shit. How did that happen? Like that was supposed to be two. Wait, double checking. 4 contracts on ES, sell stop, buy stop. Are we correct? We have 1 tick below, 1 tick above. Okay, okay, let's see. Can we push up to view up, not cross that line, and come back down all the way? That would be amazing. would be amazing, brother. So this is this, and let's see what we can achieve right here. We are having a blast with one tick. Now we're doing this. And our target is right here on 6860, which is kind of low. If we could see, we're pulling up, and I just hope we will not get triggered in, because somehow it tells me that it will be a fake. This is a V shape. We'll get triggered. I think we will recover on that move. Look at my entrance, exit. Or we will just touch the VWAP. As I said, we will not go through, and we'll kerfuffle to the downside. So we got okay, this one is coming back definitely. So probably we might also not be interested in this area anymore. You know, and come back to the upside. Maybe. There's a guess. Like I'm trying to see what others see in these numbers. Because for instance, in 5 minute chart, right? They would see what? Like the activity drying out right here. Like there's lots of buy orders, but there was like more activity here maybe. Like overall there's a low activity in this area, and probably this will increase when we drop down on or when we squeeze up, but the biggest moves being made. Look at that exit again. Oh my god, this is probability on 101. Oh bro. Okay, so we're pumping on NQ. Where could we turn around on VWAP on this level? Like on 700s? That could be a turnaround point. If we do that, well, we moved a big chunk, and on this one we still kind of below that, but we could potentially go here and then squeeze, like to trigger me in just to annoy me. But let's see. Okay, so I would like to be triggered to put my stop loss and to just get out of here. No, I need to make some pancakes. But like overall, this is the opening. So we had session delta was like 0, then positive, then negative, then negative, 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 like now 0-ish again. So I don't know. The volume sucked. It's not a lot. It's was nice, then dried out. Now it's on, like here it's drying out, then on the way down there was a lot of action, then little, then more and more. So on the volume side, I would bet on shorts, but like it's not up to me to decide. Let the probabilities decide, but still overall, like if we take a look like this, I would be more to the downside, more. Like we tried. There's no volume. Like there's no action. There's like something's wrong, and it doesn't go there. You know. Countdown.